morning, people. Welcome back to my good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel today. As you can see, man, he's moving the truck, and we are doing today is, as you can see, all the cars are gone. I told you I was gonna make my goal to get that car to the junkyard, and it did. It's gone. Okay, and thanks to the hurricane, I have a nice open space that I can take that out of here. I'm gonna back up the truck up to here so we don't have to do that much weight. Problem, I believe my keys are in it. Yeah, keys are in. Put you guys down here and figure this out. Hit like, hit, share, subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry, the fan is a little bit loud, but it's what we are. Taking everything out of the car already. Everything is out. Everything I'm gonna do, that's the old one, just the new one's in. I'm about to take that out of there, go through here. I'm about to take the carpet off so I can have more place. So I want to wash the carpet, then I'm gonna put it outside to wash, and I'm gonna go here, vacuum everything, and then I'm gonna throw the new harness on all the way through. And this is the new harness, so use harness. And this is for the light, for the front. And I got a little bit extra here and there. This right here I'm not gonna use. This is gonna be out of here. I'm gonna pull it out. And all these bags and stuff like that is extra stuff that I got. When I take out the other car is gone. So today, that's what I'm doing. Taking the carpet off, clean it off, put it back in today. And then I'm gonna take all this harness from here all the way down to there. That's where they cut it off. And after I do that, I'll be able to hook it up and get an ECU to start the vehicle. I gotta call my buddy Jeremy Rosario, see if they got one to let me borrow or let me sell it to me so I can put it on the car. Alright. CRX is in the background. Man, a long time I don't have all my toys outside. Alright guys, stay tuned. And look, I got a tripod so you guys can follow me now when I do my little recording. Cool? Alright, stay tuned. Alright guys, so has taken me about 2.5 hours to take out the old harness and put the new one in. I'm missing my fuse box, it's in the back, I gotta get it. The ECU goes over there. I got everything mounted the right way, so in case of a collision, I got this holding me back. And that one over there too, that's for the passenger. So I got 90% this is done. I'm gonna show you the carpet, how it came out. It came out pretty nice. What I'm gonna do after this, I'm gonna get the fuse box. I'm gonna put it there, plug it in. I'm gonna clean all these bolts and screws and parts and everything. I'm gonna vacuum real quick, and then I'm gonna put the carpet in. And then after that, then I can put the dashboard back in. I can put the back seats back in. The back seat, I'm not going to put it all the way through because I want to do, in the next week or so, I want to do the fuel pump. But everything plug and play. And remember, this is not an LS. I mean, this is an LS harness. This is a GSR. Everything connected. The only thing you see out here hanging is my lights and lights. Everything plug over there. Everything plug here. Except one is for the VTEC. That I have to go to the junkyard and get me another male just like that, so I can plug it in the other end, so it'll be a full connection on it. Nothing simple than that. And after that, I can put the battery in. I got the tray right there that wasn't in this car, and I had one in storage. I'm putting that right there. And then the only thing sucks about this is that when you don't have the OEM rivet to put it back on, it's going to be hanging. But besides that, everything is done to it, all the way in the back. So let me show you the carpet. It's been 2.5 hours. It's been sitting here. It looks a lot better than before. Still wet in some areas, but look how clean that came out. I mean, for 30-year-old closed carpet, it was pretty dang clean. You know what I mean? So it's dry enough that I can put it back on the car, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have Manny help me with that. But first, I'm gonna vacuum that area and get it ready. And maybe later on today, I'm gonna give my car a wash. These are the old parts. These are broken. Somebody put a straw bar on it and cut it. I do have. Oh, these are mint condition. That I want to swap into the car. I'm looking for a Type R or a JDM or a manual cluster. Anybody have one? Everything else is here. Back in. The only thing I don't have is another seat. That's I'll be damn, bro. I don't have another seat like that. If I had another seat like that, I'd be golden, bro. So let me put you down. I'm gonna vacuum the carpet in real quick, the area, and then I'm gonna get Manny. We're gonna put the carpet in. And after I put the carpet in, I can put again the dashboard. I can put out the dashboard in, then I can put the center console. I can build the car like it's supposed to look. Woo! And then it's right now after this is it's pure junk, literally pure junk. Like shit like this, light. I don't give a fuck about that. I can fix that. Just like here, light. I don't care about that. I care about that. Then what I got here, guys. I gotta repaint it because I painted it. Boom, Gaijin Garage is gonna be put on there. What? So, yep, it just happened. All right, guys, so just give me a few minutes, and I start doing what I'm supposed to be doing. Hey, guys. Wow, I'm gonna tell you this right now. Has been 2.5 hours of me building this car. Before I show you what I've done inside the car, remember, watch this video. This car was just in tight shell when I got it. So we're no more introduced. I'm gonna show you what the car looks like inside right now. And let's start with this right here. That's my spare door panel. I think this is my spare one. Yep, and I got the. Yeah, I'm gonna get stand by a bee talking to you guys. So here we go. Look at the interior of the car now. Look amazing. I got the tray going in there. I have the tray. I got all these little things, but I don't have the time to look for them right now. Like I'm missing the hasher. I'm missing some other stuff over there, but I got everything here. But I just gotta look for it. I am. The only thing I'm missing from the interior is gonna be the seat, so I can match it up. Carpet came out beautiful after, clean it up and spray it and vacuum it. I'm not gonna put the back in today because I still got a vacuum there. But I did put all the side moldings, the interior part panels in. I do have that in there. I do have the extra part for that one over there. I'm about to throw those away because they're garbage. And next time I'm gonna clean up this right here, vacuum that, and then I got a brand new fuel pump that I'm gonna put on, brand new fuel, add new fuel into it, and man, it looks a lot better than before, huh? It's crazy how people throw away sometimes cars. People throw away cars when they don't have to. These cars are so nice. Look, I got all the moldings, I got everything. See, I was trying to sell 2 cars for one, just to have 2 cars to build it. And they want to do that. They're like, no. I only wanted the motor. So guess what? I got a JDM Honda steering wheel that looks like shit right now. Dashboard is okay. I do need a OEM manual cluster. Everything that's what's supposed to be, I should have power. I need the ECU. I need to finish the ignition wires, the one that came in with the car. I messed up. I saved these from the other car. They're a lot better and cleaner than this car is. So I'm gonna swap that later on. Interior is good. Door panel's good. I got the seats over there so I can put them on. I'm just gonna clean up for the day, done for the day. I've been doing this from maybe 11 o'clock. It's right now 3 o'clock. I did the whole harness inside the dashboard you guys saw. I put the dashboard in, put the door panels in, put the center PNC in, steering wheel the way it's supposed to be, the attachment for safety, steering wheel, panels, safety panels, all the panels inside. In less than 10, 11, 12, 13, 4, 5, 6 hour work. I got this car almost done, ready to fire up. Again, next time what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna put it to that side, park it here for the night, put the CRX next to it, and then this project's almost done. I mean, this is not something that I wanna modify, but my project is to get it running, and after I get it running, cool, I can maybe drive it like that, and people can cool look at it. Why am I selling? I don't know yet. If you're interested in this car, after I'm done, the GSR transmission, motor spin friendly. I'm gonna start it up and let it run so you can see it. And that's it. Guys, I'm gonna say goodbye for now. I did a lot today. I'm very proud of myself what I did. And look at this. Oh man, now looking like a car before and after, huh? What we're seeing, look at it. I like the tray right there. That brings me memories from my old car. I gotta attach it better. Can you guys stand up here better? There we go. So, yes. Look at this. Look at all this. Look how nice it came out. So, dashboard, everything is in. Everything that I need to be in is in. The only thing I haven't done is the back, but all the harness in the back is already done. Everything's attached. I gotta use a pedal and connect so you press the pedal, your lights in the back comes on, few stupid things. But I mean, my mission was to get this car 90% completed in the interior with the harness, everything on, everything plugged in the front. I got some parts I'm gonna throw away, guys. Goodbye, see you later. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing. I'm happy. See you guys later.